Bully fam, what it do? TBK Wes back with another video. Alright, this is part 2 on how to prevent kennel coughs. So I left a few things out, man. I want to give y'all a little more detail on how to keep the pup alive while it's going through the sickness, while you're trying to make it to, 3 or 4 weeks before you can use this injectable that I was referring to y'all. And I'm gonna also show you what that is. I don't have it here. I'm gonna just show y'all what the homie gave me. I'm not a vet, so you don't have to take my advice as law. But when I did use this, it was gone. A very, very small dosage, only like 1 cc, like a half a cc actually. Super small dosage. And you do it for 3 days, I believe. And as soon as you give it to them, the nose, everything goes away, the congestion in the chest, all that, the coughs. But yeah, so all right, so now let's say you got the puppy, the sick, the kennel cough. It could be, let's just say it's one pup. All right, so what you want to do is you want to put the puppy inside the incubator. Turn your humidity all the way to 80, man. Like, you could do max. If you turn it on the max, you should only do it for like a minute or two, but turn it up to 80. So the point of doing this is that the puppy's nose, the lung breathing area will never get dry. It'll make the mucus flow out more, and you'll have to, it'll help you as you have to constantly wipe the nose and make sure it doesn't get dry. But this is the one benefit of having the incubator, is if your puppy gets kennel cough, you can put them in there, turn the humidity up real high, the nose will never get dry, man. So that's one tip. And like I said, I'm gonna put a picture of what this injectable was. I can't even pronounce it, it's all in Spanish and stuff, but I'm gonna put a picture on here. You probably should see it right now on the screen. This stuff right here, small dosage, man, like half a cc in the back of the leg for, let's say, a 4-week-old puppy. If you're desperate, you can try 3, but it's, you're risking it. But definitely works, man. Immediately sickness goes away. If you do, once you're done with this process and you notice the pup definitely recovering, you want to give it some cottage cheese, something with some calcium in it that'll boost the immune system real fast. And also, start adding that puppy milk replacer inside the dog food. But yeah, y'all, this is my part 2, how to prevent kennel cough. Y'all see my number on Instagram, man. You could text me if y'all ever have any questions, any help or something. You just go ahead and text me, man. You don't have to identify yourself, you know what I'm saying? I mean, if you don't want to, but give me a text, man. I could, try to give you some advice on, if I've experienced what you're going through, you know what I mean? So, yeah, y'all. TBK Wes, I'm out of here, man. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, man. Peace.